Join me as we make this velvety, irresistible sweet potato pie. Hey y'all, Liz here.
Now, this sweet potato pie is effortless and irresistible and can be whipped up in no time. And it will be the showstopper at your Thanksgiving and holiday gatherings.
So grab that apron or old t-shirt and let's bake some up. But first of all, please like and subscribe. Now, let's preheat that oven to 400 degrees.
Grab a baking sheet and line it with aluminum foil or parchment paper. We will need about 1.5 pounds of sweet potatoes. I am using 2 large potatoes. Baking our potatoes allows them to caramelize, which gives them an even sweeter flavor. Let's pierce our potatoes all around and then place them in the oven for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Remove the sweet potatoes from the oven. Then decrease the oven temperature to 350 degrees. Now let the potatoes cool for about 30 minutes. Then peel the potatoes. Take your peeled potatoes and place them in a food processor or blender. Then pulse or blend until your potatoes are smooth and creamy.
PSA time. Using a food processor or a blender will help to get rid of those strings in the sweet potatoes, because strings are for guitars, not sweet potato pies. Back to the video.
Look at these creamy, velvety sweet potatoes. Let's measure 1.5 to 1 3/4 cups and place them in a large mixing bowl. To our sweet potatoes, let's add 3 eggs, 3/4 cup heavy cream, 2/3 cup brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice. The salt and lemon will add even more flavor. Mix these together with a mixer until smooth. Now, let's pour that creamy pie filling in a 9 or 10-inch graham cracker crust and spread it evenly. Don't overfill your pie crust. You can make your crust or cheat like me and use a store-bought crust. You can also use a regular pie crust. Now, pop that pie in a 350-degree oven and bake for 40 to 50 minutes. It should be slightly puffed up with a little jiggle in the center when done. Y'all, check out this golden beauty. Now, fight the evil spirits to cut this pie immediately. It must set 3 to 4 hours or you will have a soggy mess. Also, the longer the pie sets, the more the flavors combine for extra yum.
Y'all, so good, so good. I just love the way the warm fall spices in this filling combine with the graham cracker crust. Granny would give this chef's kiss. I hope you will love this sweet potato pie as much as I do, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and happy baking.